Hi everybody. So we are back again. The idioms on colors. I'm sure you would enjoy today's class. Scream blue mother. इसका मतलब हुआ खामखा आसमान सर पर उठाना. इसको आप ऐसे भी याद कर सकते हो blue mother. So blue indicates the cloud. Okay? बचपन से हम clouds को blue करते आ रहे हैं. तो आसमान को खामखा सिर पे उठा लेना. So in English, it is to shout or scream or complain loudly because you are annoyed about something. इसका मतलब literally murder करना नहीं है. Okay? It has more to do with the screaming when you're angry or you're complaining loudly. Okay? For example, as Ram did not get what he expected, he just screamed blue murder. Or Eric screamed blue mother when she noticed the snake in the rock next to her. या तो यहाँ पे किसी का मर्डर नहीं हुआ, जस्ट आपने शाउट किया क्योंकि पहले केस में आपको जो नहीं मिला इसलिए आप चीखे, सेकेंड केस में आप बहुत ज़्यादा पैनिकी हो गए, आप चीखे. सो दोनों केस में आप चीखे. ओके, सो द सेकेंड idiom of the day is until one is blue in the face. ओके, नीला चेहरा. सो नीला चेहरा कब होता है? नीला चेहरा तब होता है जब किसी की मरते हुए. सो वेरी सिंपल, नीला चेहरा मरते दम तक. सो दैट इज योर until one is blue in the face. So it's about talking or saying something or shouting until one is blue in the face. It's like having pointless efforts while trying to convince someone or to change his mind. Here, remember, you're wasting your efforts and you will get no results. Example, Ujwal's parents tell him to do his homework until they are blue in the face. In fact, Ujwal never does his homework on time. इस तरह से जैसे शिखा को रोज कहा जाता है कि कमरा साफ कर ले, ओके, मगर वो नहीं करती. तो इसमें क्या हुआ? मरते दम तक कहा जाता है कि तू कमरा साफ कर ले, मगर वो नहीं करती. सो पेरेंट्स डू इट अंटिल दे आर ब्लू इन द फेस, बट देन शिखा नेवर क्लीन्स हर रूम. शी लाइक्स इट अनटाइडी द एंटायर ईयर. Okay, so the third idiom for the day is green-eyed monster. That means envious, jealousy, or jealousy personified, So it adds spice to one's language when you use green-eyed monster. So it's like Ram's success aroused the green-eyed monster in his friend Ritwik. Is that clear? It's like exactly how in the job. For example, I'll give you one more example. If you're in the relationship and your girlfriend is talking with her ex-boyfriend again, you may become jealous. So what do here? You turn to be a green-eyed monster. Or you've been working at a company for 5 years and someone just started 6 months ago gets promoted, you would be envious to him. So you would be turning to green-eyed monster. The fourth idiom of the day is out of blue. That means achanak se kuch ho jana. So something which is totally unexpected. Kim sent George a letter out of blue telling him that she was in love with another guy, Jim. Yeah? So the fifth idiom of the day is red flag. Red flag का मतलब क्या होता है? लाल झंडा. Okay? So इससे हमें पता चलता है कुछ objectionable है. That means a sign or a signal that something is wrong. Something needs to bring the attention to. The warning, the alert. For example, the abnormal bleeding from one's body part is definitely a red flag of danger, isn't it? So, यहाँ पे लाल झंडा दिख रहा है, मतलब कुछ ऐसा हो गया है कि एक्चुअली में उस पर ध्यान देने की ज़रूरत है, कुछ बॉडी में हो चुका है. So that's a red flag of danger. Yeah? So the sixth idiom of the day is red-handed. रंगे हाथ पकड़े जाना. हम बोलते हैं, बचपन से बोलते आ रहे हैं हम. She was caught red-handed. उसको मैंने रंगे हाथ पकड़ लिया. So it's like be It's just that, for example, it's like doing something wrong or illegal. It's completely discovered in few seconds when you're doing some act. Okay, so she was caught red-handed stealing a ring as it was captured in CCTV at jeweler's place. So, the 6 idioms we learned for the day are scream blue mother until one is blue in the face, green eyed monster, out of blue, red flag, red handed. I'm sure you must have enjoyed 6 idioms of the day, and here we complete our colors idiom. So, see you with more exciting range of idioms now. Take care. Bye bye.